Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I am going to share with you the spoilers for the February 2024 box for Allure Beauty Box. So if you want to see what you might be getting this month, stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, the way I like to do my spoilers is I find a little bit of additional information for you so you're able to make an informed decision in one simple video. I'll read you some reviews if I'm able to find any and everything like that. If you are a member already, there is going to be one item and you need to be a member through the Allure Beauty Box website. Sorry, it's been a long week. So go into your account and you're able to select one of the items this month to make sure you get the selection that you want. Make sure you go in there as soon as possible. If you do not like the box, you do have until the billing cycle starts, which I believe is going to be the first of the month, to skip the box. So again, go into your account and kind of skip the box if you want to do that. If you are interested in the January box, I did just do an unboxing for that. If you want to do that, you can still subscribe right now and you will be getting the January box from my understanding. However, that being said, if you only want the February box, make sure you go in on February 1st or later to get the February box. If you subscribe right now, my understanding is you will be getting the January box on top of the February box. But again, my understanding, I don't know, I'm an annual member, is that you will also be able to select the item this month. That's my understanding. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you want to get some money off your first box, I have a link below. It's a personal referral link. And then also on top of that, I left this on here. There is a Rakuten $2.50 cash back through the plugin here on Rakuten for going through the Allure Beauty Box website. If you are not yet a Rakuten member, I do have a link below. That'll also get me a little bit of cash back, but you'll get a lot of cash back as well. Okay, with that being said, let me just get started. There are going to be a few full-size items this month and a few deluxe sample size. And let me just get started with one of the items. I typically do like to use only third-party websites, but for some reason I was having difficulty today with Sephora. It wasn't loading. I was able to find the first item, and this is going to be the product that you're able to select the shade for. So go into your account if that is for you. This is going to be the YSL Rouge Volupte Shine Oil in Stick Lipstick Balm. And I would say I have received this in the past to try out through Influencer, I believe. And I really did like it. It's really, really comfortable, really shiny. It feels really comfortable and moistening on my lips. So I just wanted to show you this here because we will go through the 4 shades that are available. I can't pronounce them all because I think it's in French, but there's shades 150, 122, 44, and 161. So let me go back to the Nordstrom website. So this is one of them. So this is 150. 161 is this shade here. It's kind of like a kind of orangey pink, watermelon pink. And this one is kind of like a brownish color. I'm trying to find the next one for you, sorry. $44. This is 44, which is kind of like a mauvey gray pink. And I think those were the 4 shades. I might have lost track. It's a medium coverage oil and stick lipstick balm that provides luscious color and luminous shine while conditioning lips. So these are the two, side by side, the 2 famous YSL lip products. So I got the Candy Glaze Lip Gloss Stick as a sample as well. And I also got the Rouge Volupte Shine Lipstick Balm. So the lipstick balm is a little bit softer in my experience than the lip gloss stick. And according to this little graphic here, it has like a creamier texture, which I do believe is also true. So let me just scroll down a little bit. So this is obviously a full-size product. I think it has like a $43 value. Sorry, I'm out of practice. So let me scroll down. It's made with 65% essential oils and deeply moisturizing texture of hydrating lipstick instantly melts onto your lips, providing total luminosity, instant hydration, high shine, and smoothness for all-day comfort. After 4 weeks of continued application, lips appear healthier and more nourished. And let's scroll down. These are the ingredients for you, so take a closer look if you're sensitive to anything. And then here is the ratings. So out of 5 stars, 4.7, and there's been 2,845 reviews. And the breakdown is pretty darn good, if I would say so myself. That would be what I'd hope to see. So let me say here, let's go by most recent. I always like to find like the most recent ones and kind of look to see if there's like a high one and a low run. So this one says, best lipstick ever. Love this lipstick. Great color and shine. Can't wait to return and buy a different color. And then this one says, it's okay, not that special. You can find that color anywhere. The lips don't get any bigger. So again, I don't think that they promote it as being a plumping lipstick, but maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, let me know below if you've tried it and which shade you chose. So let me go to the next item. So I'm going to go to the next item here, which is going to be this product here, which is the Tri-Balm. So this is the Formule Prescott Tri-Balm Stick 3-in-1 Facial Balm, and this is going to be another full-size product. It has a $75 value, which is very high. It's a 3-in-1 facial balm, so it has a facial cleanser, facial exfoliant, and facial moisturizer. And I'm quite interested in trying this out because it sounds very unique. It says, formulated using the purest premium ingredients, Tri-Balm nourishes and nurtures skin to give a healthy, glowing complexion. It says a $75 value. I don't remember if I said that. Cleans and removes impurities in makeup, brightens dull skin, natural antioxidants protect the skin. It looks like it does have a scent here. It says geranium and mandarin. When to use, morning and evening, anytime in between, straight from the stick or jar. Apply the balm to the skin. It emulsifies with water to rinse away. You can also use a hot cloth or simply tissue away. Okay, so let's scroll down. Sorry, I'm trying to read the important stuff. Goodness of botanical oils, star flower, and oats to remove impurities in makeup when using this amazing facial balm. Luxurious face balm infused with hyaluronic acid to melt upon contact. Paraben-free. Okay, let's scroll down. So that is the texture. So it says our hero ingredients. Pumpkin enzyme, oat oil, lipids, sweet almond oil. Oh darn, I'm very sensitive to sweet almond oil. Black currant, oat, and echium, and mandarin. So it has, these are the 3 steps in the AM skincare routine. I'm not doing well, sorry. It has Tri-Balm for the first step for cleansing. Then the toner repair step is the Tri-Serum, and then the moisture is again the Tri-Balm. Let me scroll down. Okay, so there weren't that many reviews on any of the sites I was able to find. So this one had 34 ratings. It was a 4 out of 5 stars. It seems as if maybe this is not an American product. I don't know. Let me know if you know anything about this. This person says, I've never used a cleansing stick before. It melts on nicely and feels great on my skin. Moisturizes well. Unfortunately, price will keep me from ordering more. Oh, maybe this person, they took a photo. So this looks like this is the ingredients list. So take a closer look. Seems like it might be a pretty scented product. Okay. So that's all I got for you, that one. The next product is going to be this product here, which is the Ahava. So I will make the disclaimer that I am anti-genocide. So with that being said, I'm on the fence about whether or not I'm going to get this box because Ahava is, from my understanding, an Israeli product. This one is the Essential Day Moisturizer, normal to dry skin, 75 mLs. So it does indicate here that this is going to be a product that is for face, because it says wears well under makeup and sunscreen. So it says quickly absorbing day cream for hydration and softness, increases and maintains hydration, enhances the skin's suppleness, boosts freshness and glow. So it is a 2.5 fluid ounces and a $78 value. Alcohol-free, GMO-free, paraben-free, and vegan. And there are no reviews for this product, and I could only find it on the Ahava website. Everything else I found was like not the right version, so I don't know, maybe they're just repackaging it in a different package or something. So yeah, let me know if you've tried this product before. So it has the Dead Sea minerals proven to elevate skin's moisture. They need an editor. It balances moisture for normal to dry skin, leaves it supple, soft, and radiant. So that's all I got for you. Again, I'm a little bit on the fence. Let me know what you're going to do if you feel similarly about the whole genocide thing. The next product is going to be from here. So this one is going to be from Lush, and this is the Happy Skin Enzymic, oh my gosh, facial exfoliator. It's not going to be the full size. It said it was like a deluxe size, I believe. Hold on. Scroll down. Deluxe size. So it's a pot with a balm with a warm, nutty smell and a blend of enzymatic and physical exfoliators that team up to make skin smoother and more radiant, unclogs pores, and brightens with pineapple juice. Excellent source of bromelain enzymes and exfoliating alpha hydroxy acids. Slightly sandy texture of tagua nut powder. Sloughs away dead skin and grime, and shea butter adds hydration to seal in your newfound radiance. So let me open this. So let me scroll down. It has pineapple and jackfruit. Fresh fruit juices liven up dull skin, acting as an exfoliant to consume dead skin cells. Bamboo extract and tagua nut powder add a gentle physical exfoliation to reveal bright, radiant skin made in Canada. I think I forgot to say this, but my disclaimer is I haven't read any of these before, so this is all my first opinions. It says massage over face to gently cleanse and exfoliate, then rinse off and pat dry. Will this tell me what tagua powder is? No, it doesn't tell me what tagua powder is. I don't know what tagua nut is, so if you do have a nut allergy, I would say take a closer look at the ingredients list and kind of Google it, because I don't know what to tell you. Because, yeah. Maybe this will tell me? Nope. Okay, so that's all I got for you. They didn't have any reviews on here. And I am messing up this video like crazy. Okay, so excellent scrub, green size. The Ecuadorian Ivory Palm. So again, take a closer look for sure if you have nut sensitivities, because I don't know anything about this nut. So the next product is going to be a fragrance product. They've been putting a lot of this brand in the box. Again, I tried to find this. The one on Sephora wasn't the right scent, and Sephora's website wasn't working. So this one is from Milk Plus from Commodity. So the one we got in the past was Milk, and this one is Milk Plus. So this one's Milk's warm notes of marshmallow, tonka bean, and mahogany wood, emblazoned with the unexpected smoky depth of firewood and amber, smoky, sweet, and inviting scent to be worn with confidence. So it's a smaller size. I don't know how big it is because it got cut off on the bottom. And I would say that I don't think that the one we've received in the past was 10 milliliters, but I might be wrong about that. So if you've smelled this scent before, let us know what it smells like, because I'm not a huge fan personally of the Milk one that we've received in the past, but I know a lot of people loved it. But again, I don't have any specific reviews for you because there wasn't any info on this website. But this is supposed to be a bold scent, and from the description here, I think it's supposed to smell pretty similar to the Milk one from before. And I remember when I unboxed it being like, oh, I don't know if I want a milk smell. And then I smelled it and it wasn't my smell. So it's kind of more like a warm scent that you I would associate with more like a winter scent, like kind of like a cozy sort of scent, but it's also kind of like spicy at the same time. I'm probably being very bad at describing that fragrance. So again, if you like the product and you've had the sniff test for it, leave a comment below about what it smells like to you. The final product here, it was really hard to see, so hopefully I chose the right one, but this one is from Jasmine Beauty. And this one is a Brow Boss Styling Wax. And again, I couldn't find any reviews from it except for on the actual website. It does look like it was featured in a few other beauty boxes in the past. So if you received it in the past, let us know what it's like, because I'm a little bit curious. And again, I'm pretty much on the fence right now. That's what my thinking is right now as I'm making this video about whether or not I'm going to skip. I would love to get the YSL product again, but I already have one, and I don't realistically use that much lip product every single year. Anyway, so this one is the Brow Boss Styling Wax, $20 value. So in my opinion, that's a little bit high, so that's why I want to know if this is really worth it, you know? It just looks like a brow wax to me. But it says, master the bold and feathered brow look with our Brow Boss styling wax. Our clear styling wax is universal and easy to apply, keeping your brows lifted, tame, and sculpted without feeling stiff or flaking. Made cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan, and it is 10 grams or 0.35 ounces. Store in a dark, cool place and ensure lid is fully tightened after use. So you use a spoolie brush. And let's look at the ingredients. So these are the ingredients for you. So it looks like they got a TikTok. I don't have a TikTok, so let me know what it is. This person says, works so well, easy to use and holds the brows in place without leaving a sticky feeling, lasts all day without flaking. And this person says, feathery full brows. Jasmine Beauty really meant it when they said feathered brows without the feeling of being stiff or flaking. This product is clear, lightweight, almost as if you are combing brow serum through the eyebrows. It holds up well once this formula sets without feeling stiff and leaves no residue since it's clear. I do find it a little bit strange that they're both from the same week, and then also like hasn't been anything since then. So again, let me know what you think about this box. But here you go. This one is a pretty short video about the February box. Let me know if you're going to get the box, if you're going to skip it. I am thinking I'm probably going to skip this month, if I'm being honest, because sensitive to the sweet almond oil, having a little bit of hesitancy about Hava, and I already have the YSL product in the shade that I like, and I don't really like the scent. So now that I've said it out loud, I don't think I'm going to get the box. So thank you again for watching. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I am going to try to get some more vlogs out for you, but I don't know how frequent they're going to be because work is ramping up really quickly right now, so we'll see. But thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.